everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to the second look of this bridal eye makeup series. Today's video is on this colorful bridal eye makeup. I have tried something different and which is something out of my comfort zone. So if you are interested to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. I'm starting by doing my eyebrows. Here I am using PAC SuperBrow cream in the shade 02 Cedar cream. And with this I am going to shape my eyebrows and fill in the sparse areas. The brush I am using is an angled brush from Arte PE28 brush. This pomade is smooth in application and has that waxy texture which holds your brow hairs in place, and the shade is really apt for Indian skin tone. Then I'm brushing the eyebrows upwards to spread the product evenly using a spoolie. Next, I'm using a white base from Kryolan. This is their Supra 070 White Concealer. And with this, I'm first cleaning underneath my eyebrows and then applying all over the eyelid as an eye base. I like to use white base when I work with colorful eyeshadows. It makes your eyeshadows pop and it looks so beautiful. Next, I'm applying a sticky tape on the outer corner for the sharp edges. For eyeshadow palette, I'm using Ucanbe Spotlight palette. Such a beautiful, amazing, colorful palette. First, I'm taking a flat shader brush and dipping that into this navy blue eyeshadow and start pressing the color into my crease. Here, I'm not blending the color but just placing it in my crease till I'm happy with the intensity. Next, I'm using a fluffy blending brush and taking this unique and beautiful turquoise eyeshadow and start blending the edges of the navy blue color. This eyeshadow will slightly go above your crease line, and that's when it will create a nice transition. Next, I'm taking a very tiny blending brush from PAC and dipping that into a black eyeshadow to further intensify my crease. If you are a beginner, take a very little amount of this black eyeshadow and slowly build the color. Adding black will deepen the crease, and the cut crease which we are going to do next will look sharp and crisp. Then I'm using Swiss Beauty Concealer and Pro Art PF01 brush to cut the crease. So here I'm first marking where I want my crease to end, and then slowly I'm going to connect it to my inner corner. Cut crease requires practice, so take your time and you will be able to do it. And with same concealer, I'm also going to clean the lid space. Next, I took a flat eyeshadow brush to pick this purple undertone pink shimmer eyeshadow and start placing the color on the concealer we just applied. Then I'm using this navy blue eyeshadow again on the outer V area. And to have a nice transition between the blue and the pink, I'm going to use a turquoise color again. And you have to work with light hands over here so it will look nice and blended. I'm also going to add glitters, and for that I'm using Cuffs and Lashes glitter palette and using the shade Jericho and pressing it only in the middle of my eyelid. This is a pressed glitter palette, so you won't require any glue to stick on. Moving on to the lower lash line, I am first using navy blue eyeshadow and then the turquoise one to smudge under the lower lash line using a pencil brush. To highlight my brow bone and the inner corners, I am going to use K Beauty highlighter in the shade Sunlit Gold. Next, I am using Maybelline gel eyeliner and line my upper lash line, creating a wing. Then I am also going to use a liquid eyeliner to lock the gel eyeliner, as the gel eyeliner tends to fade out after some hours. For waterline, I am using Kiko Milano gel eyeliner. This is my trusted product for lower waterline. It doesn't smudge and is waterproof. Then I'm curling my lashes, and for mascara, I'm using Loreal Lash Paradise Mascara. And with this, I'm going to coat my upper as well as lower lashes. For falsies, I have used one from an Instagram page called Celios Lashes, and the glue I have used is from PAC. And here is the completed look. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment section below. For your convenience, I have listed everything that I have used in the description box, so make sure you check that out. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.